2 bathrooms, a rampas, and a spacious office which is currently being used as the 4th bedroom. This family home has a lot to offer to the new lucky owner. Let me show you more. Elevated for better sun exposure and warmth, this property has great street appeal. It is low maintenance and there is plenty of parking in front of the house and at the back. The kitchen, 1 bathroom and the living room are level with this large sun-drenched deck which flows further into a sizable patio. Plenty of space here for your family to relax and play, as well as entertain your friends over the fast approaching summer. On the upper level, you will find 3 good-sized bedrooms and a 2nd bathroom. A flight of stairs takes you down to the rampas in the office or the 4th bedroom. What I particularly love about this home are the high ceilings and these windows. They just light up the home, giving you a very good feeling, a feeling of a happy place, a place where you can safely raise your children and enjoy your family life. Windy Ridge Reserve is less than 100 meters away, and the Eskdale Bush Scenic Reserve is great for a relaxed walk. The location is so convenient. Popular Windy Ridge School is within a few hundred meters. The bus stop is close by, and all amenities including popular shopping malls, East Coast-based beaches and the Auckland CBD are all within a short driving distance. What a fantastic opportunity for a motivated buyer!